Welcome back to my channel. This is my last day in Singapore, and today I'm not rushing anywhere. I'm just walking through the city. It's a public holiday, and that's why the streets feel so quiet. No crowds, no noise. It's so nice to see like this. When I first thought about visiting Singapore, I didn't know what to expect. The only thing I had in my mind was what I had seen on YouTube, and that was Singapore Airport. Everything here feels so organized, so precise, yet somehow it still feels very alive. This trip has been full of moments I won't forget, and the very first one started at the airport. I never expected something so beautiful, something that would stay with me like this. Singapore Airport didn't feel like an airport at all. It felt like a place from another world. And right at the center of it, the rain vortex. That waterfall falling from the ceiling. I don't know how long I stand there and watch it. That day was not just the first day of my trip, it became one of the best days of my life. Another place that stayed with me the most was the Super Tree Grove. I actually visited it in the daylight, and to be honest, in the morning, it just felt like gigantic artificial trees. Impressive, but something was missing. But then, I came back at night, and everything changed. The same place felt completely different. The lights, the colors, the atmosphere. It was like the trees had come alive. Another place I visited was the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. Both of them were really nice to walk through. To be honest, I'm not really a flower person, but still, seeing all those flowers makes me happy. And then the Cloud Forest. That felt completely different. Those huge structures inside, and the things they have created inside. It's very impressive. And then, the night walk at Clark Quay. It was totally worth it. The whole place just comes alive at night. Lights everywhere. Everything feels so energetic there. And then, the cable car ride. Honestly, being that high above the ground and over the sea. A little scary at first, but it felt amazing. And then there was the hotel I stayed. To be honest, it's expensive, but the room was very small. No windows, just a simple space. At first, it felt a little surprising, but then I realized this is Singapore. Before coming to Singapore, I was in Malaysia, and for almost the same price for the hotel, I had a completely different experience. A bigger room, a suite, even a balcony, but here, it's just a shack. And then the food. I didn't find it difficult at all. There are so many options. Even if you're looking for Indian food, you'll find it easily. Thanks to the Indian community here, it actually feels quite familiar at times. But what I liked the most was the hawker food centers. Simple places, nothing fancy, but full of life, and I love the food also. One thing that really stood out to me is how clean everything is. No matter where you go, streets, public spaces, everything is spotless. What I understand is that it's not just about rules people follow here, it's a mindset. People here respect their city. This journey may be ending, but the memories, they stay forever. And maybe someday I will come back and walk these streets again. But for now, it's a goodbye to Singapore.